Now we're going to try to figure out why the steering is so hard. I crawled underneath it, I looked at all the steering linkage, it all looks pretty good. So I'm going to take the linkage off of both front wheels and see if they turn hard by eliminating the linkage. We'll do that by taking off this nut right here, hold it on top, pull the linkage up out of it. I've got the linkage off. With my hand, I cannot turn this. Barely turn it. The problem seems to be right here in the wheel, in the pivot point of the axle here. Some mowers you can just take off a pin and pop that out of there, but this one is not like that. It's welded on. It looks like they want you to replace the whole thing. But I'm going to try to shoot some oil inside this. Instead of grease, put oil in there and loosen it up. I imagine the grease just got hard in there, so we're going to give it a shot. Alright, I heated it up until it started turning a little bit easier. Then I took my grease gun and started pumping new grease in it. Pushed out all the old black grease. Now I can turn it with my hand. Hell, I can turn it with one finger now. So now I'm going to go do the other side. The other side I'm going to try to do it without disconnecting the linkage. And just turn it with the steering wheel. No use doing more work than you have to. Alright, I put that linkage back on. Now I'm going to turn the wheel all the way to the left. That's just to get the tire away from the grease zerk. This is what we call a grease zerk. I'm going to heat it up with everything in place. Get it good and hot. Do the same thing on this side. Now I'm just going to wipe off all the excess grease. And once it all cools down, I'll make sure it still turns easy. While I'm at it, I'm going to go ahead and grease the wheels, wheel bearings.